What's up, guys? Today we're talking about the Galaxy Watch, Samsung Galaxy Watch. A lot of people are asking me, is it waterproof if I remove my bezel ring or knock my bezel ring off? That's kind of a cool effect in the background, ain't it? I'm using my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and they've now got live focus for video, live video focus, and that's what I'm using. I thought I'd try it out. It's kind of neat, huh? There's other options too for effects and things, but yeah. Today we're talking about that. And so I've already made other videos talking about how to remove the bezel ring, talking about how to replace the parts underneath the bezel ring, the springs and the bearings and your gasket ring. And if you guys need to see that, there's a link to those videos in the description below. But yes, if you remove your bezel ring or knock it off on accident, I've done that before. The first time I knocked mine off just on a door or something, just bumped it and knocked the ring off, and I had to replace those parts and stuff. The waterproof casing is beyond the ring. So you got a waterproof casing that protects your watch, and then that ring that spins, the bezel ring on the outside there, just goes on the outside of the waterproof casing. So if you remove that, your waterproof watch is still good. It doesn't affect the waterproofing at all with that ring. So there you guys have it. I hope that helps you. I hope you get something out of this video and answers a quick question for you. If you got any more about the Galaxy Watch, I'm willing to try anything out on mine. Let's do it. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.